Welcome to this new C++ episode. Today we'll be talking about maths. The type of things that follows you into your nightmares. So let's begin with the example. Right there I declared an integer x and an integer y. They are respectively 5 and 3. We'll see what is outputted in the terminal when we run the program. So you see the sum, the difference, the product, the quotient, and a reminder, and I will go through them all. First off is the sum. So the sum it's really straightforward. You write the arithmetic operator plus the difference is the arithmetic operator minus. But after that, the product is an asterisk. It's a bit strange, but you will get used to it real fast. After that, the quotient is a forward slash. That's pretty normal too. But as you can see right there, you get 1 when you divide 5 by 3. That's pretty strange. But as you can see, our values are integers, so the output will not be anything else than an integer. It won't be able to be a float. It's an integer. So 3 enters one time only in 5, so the output will be 1, and we forget about what's left. It's only the number of times one number can enter in the other. And in the end we have the reminder. So reminder, it's a modulo operator that we name it, and it will give us the number that was left out of a division. So we just spoke about when you divide 5 by 3, 3 enters one time in 5, so you obtain 1, but there's a 2 that remains. You see, if you add 2 to 3, you get 5, and 5 divided by 5 would be 1. So the modulo gives us what remains in a basic division. That's pretty good to find if a number is odd, for example. So I'll write it right there. If, for example, x modulo 2 equals 0, it means that this number can be divided by 2. So that's it for the arithmetic operators. It's a pretty easy concept, you just need to use it. You might want to try it by yourself right now after this video. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like and write a comment if you like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.